Alright guys, so this is my RSX project. Took out the K20a3. This is the base model. So I'm gonna put in a K24, the JDM K24. So yes guys, so I'm gonna spray the car. So I'm doing inside of the engine bay right now, cleaning it out, getting it prepped up for spraying. So yeah guys, this is what it looked like so far. Then I'm gonna spray outside of the car. I'm using tin spray, can spray, to spray inside the engine bay guys. So yeah, I'm putting some primer on it first, then after the primer dry, then I start the spray. um this project is gonna take a while guys, because there are a lot of things to be done. A lot of things, I need to change a lot of things off the car. So yeah guys, this is it so far. I'm taking my time, but guys, it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful, I tell you. I'm trying to also boost it, so I'm looking like maybe 500 or 450. So guys, hope you like my little video that I'm trying to do. What else now? Yeah guys, so I just got a gearbox for it, a 5-speed. So the engine was made a long time ago and put down, so just got some free time now, so I can start working on the car. So this is where I'm at right now. So yeah.
Got one more can.